Do you know the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will lead the next smartphone revolution again this week? Stay tuned to discover why the flagship phone for Galaxy AI software from Samsung will be the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Following the release at the forthcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, the S25 family, including the powerful Galaxy S25 Ultra, will lay the foundation for Galaxy AI development and expansion through 2025 and beyond. AI integration. Samsung isn't the only innovator in AI smartphones in 2024. Every major manufacturer introduced their unique AI and generative AI features, making AI an integral part of smartphones. IDC's Anthony Scarcella noted, Gen AI-capable devices are the next big thing the industry offers consumers. Last year, Galaxy AI launched into an uncertain market. Consumers were unclear about AI's benefits and necessity on phones. Over the past year, the influx of Android devices has answered these questions. Galaxy AI in 2025 is launching into a proven market, allowing Samsung more time to push forward without establishing a baseline. Thoughts on Samsung's AI plans? Samsung gained an edge in 2024 by launching the Galaxy S24 as an AI smartphone, leading to increased sales and consumer awareness. The debut of the Galaxy S25 family allows Galaxy AI to advance further. Last year, Samsung had a first-mover advantage, and now it has the chance to extend its lead and influence how AI is integrated, accepted, and monetized. Highlight 5 reasons to choose Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, let's dive into 5 reasons to choose Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra over the S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra sets a new standard in smartphone technology. Performance reimagined. The S25 Ultra features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising faster speeds and higher energy efficiency. Enhanced RAM and UFS 4.1 storage make multitasking smooth and data transfers quicker, establishing the S25 Ultra as a powerhouse for productivity and entertainment. Revolutionized camera capabilities. The S25 Ultra's 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera replaces the S24's 12-megapixel lens, offering sharper, more detailed wide-angle photos. Improved telephoto features and the same 200-megapixel primary sensor transform mobile photography. More comfortable design. The S25 Ultra's titanium body with rounded corners provides an ergonomic and luxurious feel. It's lighter, offering greater comfort during extended use. The design balances aesthetics and practicality. Software developments. Running on Android 15-based One UI 7, the S25 Ultra includes smarter AI capabilities, such as a more powerful Bixby assistant and customizable lock screens. Immediate access to these innovations ensures long-term usefulness and relevance. Future-proofing. The S25 Ultra's advanced hardware and software offer future-proofing, keeping it relevant with upcoming upgrades and features. It is a mature flagship with significant improvements in performance, design, and usability.